I sprained my leg getting on the bus and I couldn't walk.
That fall landed Julia Wilbur in a hospital emergency room. Luckily, she had health insurance, or so she thought. Like millions of people, she shopped online for health care insurance and wound up on this website that promises affordable and dependable coverage. She paid $183 a month in premiums for health insurance through a broker called Simple Health Plans, a total of more than $3,000 for what she thought was comprehensive health insurance. Then she learned those premiums were practically worthless. Why? She got this bill for that emergency room treatment totaling more than $7,000.
Simple Health is only paying $50 of it.
Is that comprehensive coverage?
No, that is not comprehensive coverage whatsoever.
Now she's learned from the CBS 2 investigators that the Federal Trade Commission is suing Simple Health Plans and 5 other companies that sold insurance under these names, all operated by this man, Stephen Dorfman. The lawsuit charges that the companies used deceptive sales tactics to prey on consumers seeking comprehensive health insurance. When, in fact, what were they getting?
They were getting, at most, a medical discount plan or some type of limited benefit indemnity plan. It was not comprehensive health insurance.
A fraud that the FTC estimates cost tens of thousands of consumers more than $150 million. And you're one of them.
Yes, I am one of them. That is pretty shocking.
The alleged deceptive tactics include claiming that Simple Health Plans is affiliated with AARP and Blue Cross Blue Shield, that its telemarketers were licensed insurance agents, and using a network of websites to generate leads suggesting a government connection. One of them was called TrumpCareQuotes.com, offering health insurance for smart people with the nation's leading carriers.
Any sort of government impersonation in this area is an attempt to lend credibility to the site.
How big of a scam was this?
This was huge. It's one of the biggest I've seen, deceiving people into purchasing something they need, and it can ruin them financially.
The FTC charges Dorfman's scheme allowed him to live a lavish lifestyle.
With his fancy cars and his private jet and his oceanfront condo.
In these photos, he showed off his $300,000 wedding, including $135,000 just for flowers, his Rolls-Royce and Lamborghini, and $1.1 million on jewelry, including his wife's engagement ring, worth about $600,000. Make you mad?
Yes, it's infuriating.
Dorfman is now contesting the FTC lawsuit. A judge has temporarily frozen his and the company's assets. Are you concerned there may still be people out there that are paying on policies that are not comprehensive like they thought?
We know there are people out there. They either have to incur these enormous expenses for necessary medical care, or they have to forego the care.
I don't really know how they expect you to pay this.
Meanwhile, Julia continues to get bills from medical providers and collection agencies to pay for what she thought was covered by her insurance through Simple Health Plans.
I would say there's about 15 to 20,000 in here of my responsibility.
To pay them off,
I would have to make a payment plan for the rest of my life.
the FTC hopes the lawsuit will end up helping her and others get back the money they've lost. Meanwhile, Dorfman, who lives in Florida, could not be reached for comment, and his attorney did not return our phone calls. Rob and Erica?
A lot of people affected here, Pam. Thanks.